if you study as Türkiye scholarship student, you have several specs of meeting other international students of learning Turkish, and also you have your health insurance covered, you have your tuition fee covered, and you have your monthly stipend covered. So I guess that's, and I'm a boring kind of person, so I don't usually go around Istanbul. So I don't know, like, yeah, the food is amazing also. As he said, my name is Mahmoud Alaide Ibrahim, and I'm a medical student at Marmara University, Istanbul, Turkey. So Abdul Malik has said it all. Studying in Turkey is unlike studying anywhere else around the world because, firstly, the geographical location of Turkey is very, very unique. It blends this European culture with the Asian culture. I live in Istanbul. My university is in Istanbul. If you go all around Istanbul, you see the marks left behind by the Roman Empire, by the Ottoman Empire. It's really amazing. So yeah, and he also said that it's a blend of many cultures around the world. Like if you just study in Turkey as any other international student, you feel like any other international student. But if you study with Türkiye Burslari, if you study with Turkish scholarship, you have the opportunity to meet other students from other parts of the world. For example, when I came here immediately, one of the perks of being a Turkish scholarship student is that you're going to learn the Turkish language for a year. And it's really amazing that in this school, there was like students from 62 different countries. That is really amazing. Like you have these um, you're seeing the world through 62 different perspectives, 62 different cultures. It's a really amazing experience. And one of the questions, like one of the first questions I'm going to be answering here is, what is studying in Turkey like? So as I said, studying in Turkey is just like studying anywhere around the world, but if you study as Türkiye scholarship student, you have several specs of meeting other international students of learning Turkish, and also you have your health insurance covered, you have your tuition fee covered, and you have your monthly stipend covered. So I guess that's, and I'm a boring kind of person, so I don't usually go around Istanbul. So I don't know, like, yeah, the food is amazing also. About studying in Turkey, my favorite part about studying in Turkey is that, as an international student, you're away from your family. At some point, you're going to feel lonely. But for me, uh, I kind of found my way around that because I was able to like find a community of people that's, how can I say this? Like a community of international students that are also like that I go out with, I study with, and all of this. So uh, at some point I miss my family, but it's like um, I don't know how to say this, but like having this community of people that you can relate with is going to come in handy at that point when you miss your family and your friends and the people you're used to in your country. So that's a very good part about studying in Turkey. And another part is that it's a multicultural environment. Like in this dorm, there's students. There are students from different countries. So let's say I go for dinner in the evening. I'm not only meeting Turkish people. I'm meeting Turkish people. I'm meeting people from other parts of the world. And uh, one good thing I see about that is that we have conversations about their country. We have conversation about my country and the like. So it's like I'm seeing their country. I'm seeing their countries through their eyes, and they're seeing my country through my eyes. So that's a really amazing thing.